Welcome to Leviton's Project of the Week series. Each week we'll introduce a simple weekend upgrade to improve safety, help save energy, add convenience, or update the look of your home. People spend hundreds, even thousands of dollars improving the interior design of their homes, but they often overlook upgrading an element that's in every single room: light switches. While traditional toggle switches and exposed screws on wall plates are functional, they're not particularly stylish. Leviton's hallmark Decora devices have stood the test of time and set the industry standard for both style and performance. The elegant, sleek look of Decora gives rooms a modern appearance that complements any interior. The wider rocker switch, with its quiet operation, is a functional and ergonomic improvement over the sharp snap of a toggle switch. Decora screwless wall plates, which come in many popular colors, round out the design to give your walls a truly finished look. And Decora is more than just switches. Our line includes energy-saving dimmers, sensors, timers, electrical outlets, and in-wall USB charging outlets. Most devices can easily replace your current dated devices with minimal extra wiring required. This makes it the perfect way to add the finishing touch to the walls in your home. For more detailed information on Leviton's Decora line of designer-style devices, visit our website at leviton.com/Decora.